Yeah. I might be in the way.
I forgot. So I'm gonna
Okay.
And I'm gonna text him if I so I'm gonna
Okay.
wait for him.
Yeah. So she
How
put
old
a
is he?
deposit of 190.
19.
No one put
19
the balance.
years?
There's 224, 242.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
So, we're right now at the Arizona bird store and we're gonna go in and check out what type of birds they have because I'm getting a new baby. Oh wow. Wow, look at all these trees. That's great. Look at all these toys. I love. Ah. I love this one. This is amazing. $2.99. $2.99.
Did Nancy disappear? Yeah, I think she went to help another customer.
I just need to have.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's
Kim Wade.
I get help. No. Perch. Perch. Come on. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Oh. Look, this is Hope.
He's even more prettier in person. Oh my god. We were just watching the one last night where Joy, your other McCall, the Scarlet,
Joy.
the one that you rescued.
Yeah, no, I didn't get her.
Oh, we were watching that last night and we were like, we were hoping that she'd change her mind and give it to you.
I never hear back from her. She'd probably sell her to somebody else. Yeah.
He's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
We're gonna get one of those someday, and you're gonna have a big brother.
Are you excited, Hubby? Are you excited? Are you excited?
He does this really cool trick where he'll hang onto her finger, and she'll spin him, and then he'll fly.
Yeah.
It is so cool. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Are you Nancy?
I am.
I'm Caroline.
Hi.
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 This is Hope.
Hi, Hope.
Do you have a napkin? He just pooped there.
Oh, yes. We will get that. Yes.
Hi, Hope.
Hi, Hope. Hi, beautiful.
So I want to walk around and just get to know your store and get some stuff. Right, Hopi? And there's that I listen to. All right, let's walk around and get see some toys. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. Who are you? Hopi, do you want to see him? Hopi is looking at a cockatoo. Look, 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 look. Hello. Hello. So we're right now at the Arizona bird store. Wow, and it's just bird stuff. This is like bird heaven. Like if you come to Arizona, you have to check out the store because this is all like just bird stuff all over the place. Oh, might need one of these. $21. Love these. Maybe one smaller one. Or you want something like this? Do you want to see it? Look at all this bird stuff. Look at all these toys. Hope, do you want a toy? Do you want to pick a toy? And look at all this food. Look. Might get a toy. Wow. and purchase. Love it. Oh, and here's the boarding room. Oh. Oh. Boarding. Oh, I love those trees. This is a nice one, $3.50. This is a nice one. Might need to get one of these for you, Hope. What do you think? Like this tree? Yeah? Have to get one of those trees for you one day. Yeah. Oh. Items on sale. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 you freaked them out. Oh, look. Hi, guys. Uh-huh. This is the grooming room. Oh, I love this cage. Ah, you are beautiful. Look at you. Imagine the microphone. And this is the grooming room. Wow. That's a nice picture. Oh, I love these. These are nice. Huge. Hello. 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 Is that African girl? Hi. Hi. The cockatoo? Hi. What are you? Hi. Hello. Oh. Ah! Oh. Fortune in books. What do you think? 25% off. Look at a little coconut. Little coconut. And I love those toys. Look, all these toys. They have fun, right? Oh. $30. $2. Let's get one of these. Hey, you! No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Yours is beautiful.
Thank you.
Is it hard to get him on that
Harness?
lead?
No.
The harness?
He was so calm when he was a baby. I trained him. He's still a baby, 16 months old. And he's just chewing on it, but this is his second harness. He chews and he breaks them, but yeah, just replace them.
Can you put him on conures and cockatiels and
I
stuff?
put it on my my lorry key too.
Okay. Thank you.
Extra small though. Oh. Hi, Brazil. Is she calm? Is she nice?
He is.
He?
It depends.
Yeah.
Usually he is.
Come on, play some.
You want to step up?
Hi.
Good boy.
Oh. Well,
What's the best way to pull around? That side or this side?
This side.
side, okay.
Yeah. Oh, I might be in the way.
I forgot. So I'm gonna
Okay.
this one. And I'm not texting Shinakami, so I'm gonna
Okay.
wait for him.
Yeah. So she
How old
put a
is he?
deposit of 190.
19.
No one put
19
the balance.
years?
There's still 224, 242.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
This is your copy.
Okay. But for me, but you have one.
oh,
Yeah.
I know. I'm so new.
My
She
diet.
should have one.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Yeah. Yep.
So I'm gonna wait.
Hi. You wanna take him back? He's heavy.
He is.
So heavy.
Uh-uh.
So it's Destiny, Faith, and Angel. I have a lorry key, and then I have 2 Amazons.
This.
He's a lorry key.
Hi.
He's very friendly, but yeah, those 2 are buddies. They love each other. Oh, Angel. Yeah. And then here, back here, let's go on the other side. Actually, we can close the door. Faith and Destiny.
Oh my goodness. Hi.
Hi. So Destiny is a double yellowhead, and Faith is a red crown Amazon.
Hi, bees.
Yeah, and they're friendly.
They're little animals.
But this is kind of like travel cage, and it's broken. She sneaks always out here.
Oh.
When I'm driving, she sneaks out and she just sits here and whistles.
That's so cute.
Right?
Hi, bee. Hi. Can I pet you?
Yeah. They're really friendly. Destiny too. Destiny, you want to come out? Do you want to see the bird store? Hi. You want to go in the bird store? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Come here. So,
Open, and they weren't as careful back then as they are now.
so wait a minute. This is the bird room.
Hey, baby. Aww,
Oh,
she's so friendly.
he's very friendly. He's never caged. I don't cage him since he was a baby.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so he's just out in my place. Destiny, come.
Little mama.
Wow. I love your purses. I need one of that.
Now you won't know until he gets older. If he doesn't get much more yellow than that, then he's a believe. If he gets more, he might be what they call an oratrix,
Oh.
which is a different subspecies which has more yellow.
Really?
There's several subspecies of those.
Wow.
But you really, 17 months isn't old enough to know.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay.
Here's all the babies.
Oh.
Hey.
Hi, this is a baby Scarlet?
Yep.
Oh. How much is he?
I believe they're 2,500, but I don't know. I think that one's. I'm not sure if he's sold or not. I'd have to check.
Oh, okay. And these are babies too?
Yep.
Oh. Hi. Hi. You are gorgeous.
Yeah, they are pretty.
What is he? A bird?
I want to say he's either a Camelot or a Ruby, but I'm not sure. I'd have to check with Nancy.
Scarlet? Wow.
Scarlet, yep.
And then here are the smaller birds.
They're all smaller stuff, yep. Conures
Oh, what
and
is this?
baby blue and gold.
Oh! Oh!
There's 2 of them. There's one here too.
It's a blue and gold?
Yep, blue and gold macaw.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at that feeding response. No, let go. Let go see it.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, they're cute.
They're so cute. How much are they?
I want to say 1,800, I believe.
18.
And I'm not sure. I think we may have one available.
Destiny, do you want to see him? Look. It's a baby. Destiny, this is a baby. A baby green gold. He's spooked.
Where'd you get him from a breeder?
Yeah, from a breeder in California.
Nice.
Oh, look at look at those three. So cute. And a little cockatoo.
Yep, cockatiels and lovebirds.
They love birds.
Yep. And then we have our purplish pink chicken that we dyed with Kool-Aid. That's 2.
Wow. Beautiful chicken.
Yeah, it's called a silky.
Silky chicken. This is amazing. Your store is like huge.
Yeah, we have the best bird store in Arizona.
Look, Destiny, this is you. Destiny's looking at Destiny. Look, Destiny. Oh, I love my double yellow hat. Hi, Destiny. Hi, Destiny. So we just got out from the Arizona bird store and it was so cool. They are so friendly, so helpful, so many exotic, beautiful birds. We saw the black palm cockatoo. We got toys and look what we got. We got Destiny. I love my yellow devil hat. Yeah, Destiny likes it. And then we got Angel one. Are you poking a hole? Yeah, he marked it. He marked it. So it's yours, right? Yeah. Put it in our car. And then we got a bell. Check this out. Destiny loves bells. Do you like bells? Destiny, you like the bell? And we got a huge, big piece of toy, which we will build something else out of it, right? Okay, let's go to the next event.